Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make rain and After Effects. Creating a rain effect and After Effects can add a dramatic and atmospheric touch to your video. Now, let's begin with the steps. Open After Effects. Go to Layer, New, then Solid to create a new solid layer. Make sure it matches the size of your composition. You can name it Rain and hit OK. With the solid layer selected, go to Effects, Simulation, CC Rain or CC Rainfall. The effect will generate raindrops over your composition. Drop size. Adjust the drop size parameter to control the size of the raindrops. Speed. Adjust the speed parameter to control how fast the rain falls. Wind. Adjust the wind to control the direction of the rain. Opacity. You can control the transparency of the raindrops with the opacity setting. To make the rain blend better with your scene, change the blending mode of the solid layer to Screen or Odd. Then enable motion blur for the rain layer to give the falling drops a more natural look. You can do this by toggling the motion blur switch and the timeline and enabling it for the composition. By following these methods, you can create a variety of rain effects and After Effects from simple drizzles to heavy downpours. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.